Yes, please, Dad, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Neighbor, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, please, neighbor, you will do me a favor.
Okay.
This my phone has a little issue. It's no longer working. It fell inside water. I don't know if you can help me with 2 cups of rice, onions, and some Maggi. Let me repair the phone.
I don't understand. You want to use 2 cups of rice, onion, and some Maggi to repair phone?
Yes, that's what they
My
said.
friend, please get out from here. Oh, get out. Can you imagine?
Oh my God! Oh my God!